Now, most people travel to enchanted places to the pages of the book, so you get a visit first and often travel to the waterfall.
Train ride was right by there. Where are you going? Two. Our party of two, you're going to head down with them, okay? How many's in our party?
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Steve, and I'll be catching the storyteller on board the Walt Disney Picture Beauty.
Okay. Watch your step, friends. Watch your step. I love your coat. It's so cute.
Wow, it's so low now. Sorry, I'm back. That's okay. The boat will not capsize.
I got some LBs on myself too, so
I'm gonna try.
you guys.
And away we go. Hello, friends, and welcome to our journey to Storybook Land. My name is Precious, and I'll be your captain and storyteller today. For your safety, we ask that you please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. And please supervise your children, as we don't want our story to take any unexpected turns. Now, most people travel to enchanted places through the pages of a book, but some do get a visit in person, and often find their journey to be quite magical, or even menacing. But don't worry, friends, though it may seem like we're passing through the jaws of Monstro the whale, we're actually being transported to a magical place called Storybook Land. Now, all stories do begin with a once upon a time, but in this case, a big bad wolf who lives in a cave just to our left, and is always chasing after those three little pigs. But luckily, those pigs do live just across the way in those three houses. One made of straw, one made of sticks, and one made of guaranteed wolf-proof bricks. Our story does take a strange turn, as just around the riverbed is a quaint English village home to Alice. When one golden afternoon, they followed White Rabbit down to Wonderland. And they fell down, down, down. Things only got curiouser and curiouser. Now over on our right page is London Park, where Peter Pan first took John, Wendy, and Michael Darling on their first flight to Neverland, where they would never ever have to grow up. Just up ahead is the city of Agrabah, place of mystery and enchantment, where a street rat named Aladdin first bumped into Princess Jasmine and stole her heart. So the two were from different worlds, with the power of love and a little help from a genie. They were married and now live happily ever after in the Sultan's palace. Love is always blooming here in Storybook Land, just like the roses on the archways above us. The same archways that Aladdin and Jasmine soared over, sideways, and under on a magic hover right to a whole new world. Now all stories are filled with love and light. They do have their dark places, places of mystery like the Cave of Wonders just up ahead. Its treasure holds a curse that can only be broken by the genie of the land. Legend has it, whoever frees the genie is granted 3 wishes. Let's go ahead and make a wish inside and see if it comes true.
Mommy, I wish my name I'm not gonna
Snow White searched for a safe place when she fled the evil queen. That's when she came across this cozy forest cottage to her right-hand side. It is the home to the 7 dwarfs who granted her shelter and thanks for her kindness. And if you listen very closely, you may be able to hear those 7 dwarfs whistle while they mind their own business. Wishes are a big part of Storybook Land, just like when Cinderella wished to go to the ball. Unfortunately, her fairy godmother... Unfortunately, her evil stepmother did forbid it, leaving her in that blue chateau on her left-hand side. Luckily, her fairy godmother was there to grant her wish. When Cinderella didn't leave the ball by midnight, her coach did turn back into a pumpkin. But don't worry, friends, Cinderella did get her happily ever after, and she now lives in that very castle with Prince Charming. Now, most people may dream about taking flight with Peter Pan or even going on a magic carpet ride. Some do dream about drifting off to sleep on quilts and flower beds, just like the one on our left-hand side, inspired by the 1933 Silly Symphony Lullaby Land.
Hi, friends, keep your hands inside, please.
And yes, friends, all of our plants, flowers, and trees here in Storybook Land are real. Thanks to Tinkerbell and her pixie dust, we're able to keep them so miniature. And coming up ahead is going to be the home of Thaddeus Toad. So sorry, friends. Seems like Mr. Toad isn't in right now, as he is on a wild ride to nowhere in particular. As you may have noticed, friends, our story has gotten just a bit frozen, as on our left-hand side is Arendelle, home to Anna and Elsa, where they first met their friends Kristoff and our favorite snowman Olaf. And just up ahead is a small village home to Geppetto, when one night he wished upon the brightest star in hopes of turning his pup into a real boy. And when Geppetto was home back safely from the jaws of Monstro the whale, the blue fairy granted his very wish. And coming up ahead on our right-hand side is going to be the castle of Prince Eric, where our favorite Little Mermaid took her first unsteady steps onto land and hopes fulfilling her dreams of becoming a part of our world. Princess Ariel's dreams did come true, and she now lives happily ever after in that very castle. So let's not forget where she grew up, in the city of Atlantica, and if you look right behind this magical waterfall, you'll be able to see it. Now as we close the pages of our book, friends, I ask that we please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, and fingers inside the book. Thank you for being a part of our story today. I hope you all have a magical day over at Disneyland.
Hi, friends, please remain seated.
You know, like, you already know the ending. Stop watching with that dog. Okay. Yeah, we're happy. Oh, don't worry about it. You gotta pull. I thought you were showing me that.
Perfect, perfect.